Everybody like money, oh. Money wokri wok. Money good, oh. Money, oh.
You scrub my back well.
Good morning. Welcome, ma. Well done. You know, since you came, we've been trying to make ourselves available to come and greet you. But they can't fire away there here, no grill. See, he refused anybody entering, he refused us seeing you. Thank you for coming. At least you visit him, take care of him, because sometimes he can't even take his bed properly. But not taking him inside bedroom is another offense. Huh? If you outside here, buffer. From the look of things, what he she rapple, or what he she couple, give with him could be warm mamma. Inside that place where bedroom, there nobody will hear on a voice. For just stay outside here, buffer. Don't be small picking your bikini. Oh, guy, you're stop. Nana joke, I did joke. You're welcome, ma. You're welcome.
See, make I tell you. You see, this guy here, my bobo, my heart, my sweetheart, honey. He not do proper introduction. I made it for know me well.
Baby, no mind now. No mind now. Leave him. No.
Hey! Everybody on the moon will shift from where I stood. Hanayo. Hey! My eyes have seen my nose. Wait, oh. Your mate na nata chineke ihe hanga haha. Kiza kabulo shi ga akomugun. Ayo? Ahonu go ogologo. Ihe ni na go na ogologo. Na anote. Kika ga maburu ihe ukwu yote. Hasi kom say elu dey marry heke. Mama bedroom. Mama always come, no even come out to greet. Mama walk back there, one na agba mama. Mama come inside, I put up. I thought, no wonder. Last night I come to hear ma. Some make na go to ma mo ba ko bia ko ma mo dede. Sayo. Hey! Asa kpoko nwere size, nwere kwa size. Lekwa nge me, lekwa bi shi gikwa. Na ekiti obi ara. Owote nkumi ike na akụpụ da akụgbo ogige ikọlọ onwe gịnị. Ogbu isi, ogbu ana, ogbu ente, ogbu imo. Hey! Nwa na anyị ukwa na ayo. Iyorola igba. Yoro ibu. Obia. Magale ahụ.
So, kuna let me see you start.
Mama alawa nne.
I got titles.
Talk. Why they start machine they do like this? Oh, open my talk now.
I got titles. How many times? What I call you? When they put eye for my matter, for this house. When they put eye for my matter, when they put eye for my body. For this house, when they put eye for my matter, when they put eye for my body for this house.
See, baby, Ivan.
I know what I will do you. But time never reach.
Okay.
When time reach, you go hear from me.
Ivan, see, he might tell you. See, this man small for me. I don't come with that. See, you go see what I go do. No, we go inside. No, we go honey. Ivan. Ivan, no. If I go start making again, Ivan, no, we go.
I know what I
Open the door, we go.
I know what I
Ivan,
Hey!
Ivan.
Some women no get shame for eye. You go ha ka go no oji. Ki bia na enu won te nkori gro. Hey! You know what you go do? What you go do me? What you go do me? No put ana ka e makwa remember. Under the breast. O nwere to that brush you lose o ara adagbu ogu ikon kwa ya ho ogu ni isi gbam gi lo to go more. Stupid man. Yeah. No wonder. Say no dey marry he kan gbo nwa ya abara be na agba mute. Igbapu gi so chingop gi gbapute. Igbapu gi so kerezi gi gbapute. One day ga azoro onwu gbapute e dagbu ogu. Make sure on the line of action, don't try to yari grow because all the grow like ya die kwala bu wempe. All of us go so money cloth. In the school, ha bia gbam peg la stupid man. Moga na yo. If you na your height, you fat. Come out eye for your matter. Matter go believe I have seen her. Your matter have occupied your space. Nonsense. You buy house where you go live, you know, see, I'm not going to the house, no compound. Titus, who is your neighbor?